It is so crazy. I deal with Amazon. We sell recharge on Amazon. We can argue that something, it could be something, no, it's there. Take a look. And they'll be like, no, it's not. And I'll be like, this is a computer, isn't it? And yeah, you realize you're arguing with computers, man. You're lucky to argue with a person. I'll give you an example, though, man, is that I was trying to explain the ISR, what is it, induced systemic response, right? And I had a hard time. I was trying to think, because it sure is a lot like something that they give you at the doctor every year for the flu. I couldn't say anything about that, man, because AI is, they're vicious out there, man. It's crazy.
We all know one other thing in this arena that we've seen. If you have a friend that uses social media, is huge. Plenty of breeders have used IG as their operating platform, and then they build their accounts, whether it's for that or something else in cannabis, and then they get shadow banned. We've experienced shadow. I didn't even know what shadow ban was until we experienced. I'd have you guys tell me what that actually means. I don't know what's up with this guy.
Roman, speaking, I wonder why he likes AI. I think he is AI.
Oh, come on. Give him a break, man. The guy does jujitsu, Rambo. He's one of you.
He choked me out pretty quick.
It's got me. I was talking to my kid about that. Man, it's like being a prisoner to all your money, right? Like, you can have billions and billions of dollars, but you can't go to a jiu-jitsu class and get an honest workout. It's weird.
So other options, obviously there's a necessary, I don't want to call it evil. Anytime I complain about YouTube, Scott is like, hey, who else is giving you a free TV channel or network? You know what I mean? Like, and the audience it provides as well. So, some other alternative. I mean, for us, we got frustrated with IG. We still have our account for, just different reasons and reached out. We created the Real DGC, realdgc.com. If you didn't catch it at the beginning of this, it's a community we control. Because nothing's worse than really getting involved and having your account even just deleted.
A sharp stick in the eye. It's pretty bad. No, it is a bummer. And yeah, that was the catalyst. Was it the catalyst or the impetus for us to...
a little bit of both.
Right. To build this. And it is really cool. I do appreciate this. 4,000. We broke 4,000, dude. All right. I will tell you, it does... it vexes me. Look at all the big words I'm using now. No, why everybody is on Instagram. I guess Instagram is just, that's where everybody shows their bud. But they've had anti-cannabis policy there, right?
Oh, yeah. That's why anytime you see a cannabis grower that's got, like, Josh Grambo 2.0, that's because they got my account deleted before, and now this is my 2.0 account. It's one of those things. It's like, because Instagram kind of, it has the vibe. Famously, Elon Musk came out on Twitter and said, all cannabis content is really, like, fine and okay, but I don't know. There's a weird vibe over there, so I think stoners just kind of, like, don't like the vibe, bro.
When I hired Banner, I was like, I want to do all social media, man. I want to do Facebook and Twitter, and Twitter, nobody goes there, man. No, he says that's for the news. People that like the news.
The site formerly known as Twitter.
Oh, X. Sorry, I made a dead dude.
Yes.
What about Snapchat? Hey. Let us know if you're in a cannabis-friendly community out there. There's a lot of different communities. Leave us some comments below of where you post, share your grow.
And if you did like this video, wow, I sound like a record, don't I, man? Hit the like button, share it, man. Share this with another grower you know. And check out the other couple videos YouTube's recommending and leave a comment about my hair.
Shouts out to our video sponsors. Y'all know to go check out the Superfood Parents whenever y'all got time. Because, we got time.
Guests all along the way. Today we got both. A guest is going to be talking about some cannabis resources that he's using so that you can help grow your health, business, and your wealth. A very special guest has a greener thumb than old McDonald himself. The plants that this gentleman grows will make anybody say E-I-E-I-O. Now, when it comes to understanding agriculture, George Washington Carver has reincarnated himself in the form of a man from Missouri. When it comes to growing things, he makes a jolly green giant look like a midget. It's time for today's featured guest, consultant and agriculturalist extraordinaire. This time for TWP.
Hey, welcome back.